I entered into DENSO in 1995. I came in as a material engineer. My degree is chemical engineering with a specialty in polymer science, and it was a really great fit here for DENSO. We had just kind of started localization activities for the materials we use in our components. The Production Innovation Center for DENSO really supports everything from the beginning of the design, so the equipment design, the materials that we go into, process engineering, all the way through planning, where we're putting floor space, where we're adding that additional. That's a full support function through all of our business units. Women should consider engineering as a career path because we have a way of looking at things very logically as well as creatively. And those two things combined really give the innovation needed for engineering. Take chances. You need to take chances. Take that global assignment even if you've never gone on an airplane before. Take the chance, go see the world, go see the different companies, go try something different, and don't let anybody say you can't do it.